it's Bee. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm going to show you how I put layers in my sew and weaves. So basically I start off like this. A lot of the time my hair is leave out on the weaves, so in the front it's like really short and does not match the length of the weave. So I love to add some layers so that it looks like it's coming out of my head. It looks real natural, and it looks real good. So basically I kind of like separate the front off, and that's going to be the area that I want to straighten so that it looks, you know, all neatly pressed. Then I'll take some shears, scissors, and I'll start cutting those layers in. So the way that I cut layers is like I feather it down at an angle, so that it matches from the top of my leave out all the way down to the ends. So once I do that, I'll bump the ends so that it gives a bit like a body. This hair is actually synthetic, so it's a little bit difficult to bump those ends, but eventually I got it done. Just got to use that flat iron to make it work, honey, to make it work. Now, I'm going to just hop over to the next side and basically do the same thing. So I'll just comb out my hair so that it's fully combed out. Then after that, I'm going to hop in with those shears and start again. Now, because I'm right-handed, sometimes the angle that I'm cutting the hair doesn't really work when I'm cutting on the right side. I'll have to go at an upward motion instead. So what I'll do is I'll cut upwards diagonally, and I'll continue to feather the hair as I cut upwards with the shears. Y'all, all done. Pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Probably takes like 5-10 minutes to like figure out the hand motions and how to do it. And this is the end result. I think it looks really natural and really cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me a like, leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed. I want to know all your thoughts about this video. And thank you guys so much for watching once again. Bye.